Welcome to EATLAB channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Okay, keep it coming, a little more, stop. All right, let it flow.
Gitapni fukse in medwete samtgeshatehe. Or dicha kol jianke dispenseme ansatini gandechilaginhe. Insert teeth.
The grain passes between corrugated steel rollers, spinning at different speeds, breaking open the kernels. As the paddle descends, the ingredients begin their transformation. Slowly at first, then picking up speed.
Transcription. Make sure the temperature curves are optimal for this batch.
Conveyor speed is steady. All zones are green.
Make sure all lanes are flowing smoothly for packaging.
Back it up, back it up. Good, good. Okay, slowly now. Easy does it.
The crispness value is within acceptable limits.
Moisture content is also nominal. This testing ensures product safety and quality.
Transcription looks like the temperature is stable.
Yes, and the chemical concentration is optimal for this cycle.
Proper material inspection ensures that only approved packaging materials reach the production lines.
Our advanced water treatment ensures every drop meets the highest food grade standards for your biscuits.
Okay, silo 4 is hitting 30%.
Noted. Initiating refill sequence.
That's not the content mic. That's trong chạc loạn từ bờ xa. Cứ tính cho riêng sam trầm điện nữa. Bọn chôn pas cửa cáp đi kỳ sạch. Tiếng kim thì
This ongoing monitoring verifies that sanitation procedures are effective and that production areas remain within microbial control limits.
The tunnel oven alone consumes significant electricity to maintain baking temperatures.
Okay, got it. The ETA for delivery is 14:30. Okay.
Okay, looks like we're on track with the biscuit targets. How's quality looking on line 3?
Everything's green here, Supervisor.
Now, let's look at contamination prevention. It's crucial you understand these procedures before you enter the production floor.
And these are our flour storage silos. The temperature logs are updated daily.
Excellent. How often are the pest control checks conducted?
Okay, that pallet is good to go to zone 1. Copy that, moving it now.
These calculations ensure the nutritional information printed on every blue package is accurate and complies with FDA regulations.
Thank you for calling. I can help you with that.
The biscuits are gluten-free. And the batch number is?
Based on current demand, we should increase vanilla biscuit production by 10%.
Agreed. I'll update the schedule and check raw material stock.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.